Hello everyone, welcome back to FBM Maine Outdoor Journal. Today the boys and I and little Millie the pup, we're down here on the lower end of the Mattawamkeag River. We're going to cast around, see what we can catch. Thought we'd bring you along. Let's see what we can do. Got one yet, Liam? You're just getting on the bottom.
He's fighting! He's fighting! He's fighting good!
Oh yeah.
I got it!
Hey, got one!
I got one! He's fighting good! I'm bringing it in. You're coming with me, Mr. One Eye.
What do you got?
I got a fish. Wait, I think that's a black back one. Joe, is he gonna eat? Is he gonna eat, Joe?
What is it?
It's a
What keeps the lure away from the dog?
I think it's a black trout.
Black trout? I think it's a black bass.
Black bass.
Hold him up.
Can
we? No, hold him up by the bottom lip and throw him back. Oh, he's gonna let himself go.
Yeah,
there he goes.
Let himself go.
Good job.
Hey Joe.
What?
I know how I caught him. I used your trick. I just throw it out there, wait, and calmly reel it in, and then I got him.
Yeah, use my old trick.
Yeah.
Liam said he's got another one. I gotta try to get down here.
Hi, Millie.
You get him?
Yeah, got him.
Hey, Joe, I can skip rocks.
Wait. Oh, I got him right in the lip.
That's where you're supposed to get him, right in the lip.
Got a big one.
Nice one.
Yeah. He's a chomper.
All right, put him back.
Well, he was
There he
fun to
goes.
catch.
I got one on now.
Got it.
Not a real big one, but he's a good fighter in the current. We didn't go get your fish. Oh, there he goes. Oh, no, he's back. I thought we lost him. Too bad. Not real big. You didn't go get your fish pole?
But it's broken,
I
remember?
told you I'd try to get it working.
No.
You brought it down.
Fishing.
Hold on.
Fishing lines.
Where'd Millie go with Jackson?
I think so.
Is Jackson gonna go get the worms? Getting what? Getting his fishing ball. Ooh-wee. That was hard. Once it starts coming in. I think Daddy's getting better luck than I am. Look at him. There's fish
fishing like a gourd over there.
Oh, look at that.
I'll fix it. Nothing I can't fix. Pretty basic idea. I guess they ain't hitting gold, Joe. I saw like something cross the ground when I was going to get the fishing pole.
It's my fish! My fish! My fish! It's Liam, stop it.
Got one, Joe.
Nice job. Don't let the dog get the lure.
Now what up? Joe, what is it?
Big bass, ain't it? Hold him sideways. Nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, going back to the drink.
Ain't that the biggest one of the day?
Nope, not quite. We ain't got one to make up.
One of the biggest ones of the day?
Yeah, one of the biggest ones. Second biggest, probably.
I don't care what the bobber on once and you would tell fish comes and bite you.